Today we're making a creamy Oreo cheesecake with no oven. This dessert is quick and incredibly delicious. Let's start making this amazing dessert. Crush the Oreo cookies to make the crust. Combine crushed cookies with melted butter. Press the mixture firmly into the pan. Beat cream cheese until smooth. Add sugar and mix well. Fold whipped cream into the mixture. Add extra Oreo pieces for flavor. Pour the cheesecake filling over the crust. Spread the mixture evenly. Refrigerate the cheesecake until firm. Decorate with Oreo crumbs. Slice the cheesecake carefully. Look how creamy it is. Oreo lovers will love this dessert. This dessert tastes amazing. Serve chilled for the best flavor. Perfect for parties and gatherings. Everyone will ask for this recipe. And it's incredibly easy to make. Try this delicious cheesecake today. More easy desserts coming soon. Download the full dessert recipe collection from the link below. And access more recipes and enjoy with family.